Okay. Start with the stocking first? Lots of stuff in there. Tell me what it is.
A Lego
keychain. Chapstick.
You never have enough chapstick.
Chapstick.
Keep going.
Oh. I didn't eat. Sorry.
Friends.
You're asking me, sorry. Okay, Mike?
Stamps.
Stamps.
Yeah, okay.
Tinkerbell stamps.
My grandma, not the grandma that lives with me.
It's okay, Mike. You have one. Okay.
That's my dad's.
Okay.
Likes Tinkerbell. And this is a present.
What did Mike do to help us?
Rip it, girl, rip it.
Come on, rip it. Murphy.
She's a paper saver.
Look at him, Mikey.
Is she really?
She's not being careful. Rip it, come on.
Come on, you just open it. Mikey. Bite.
Yeah, you bite. There's something on you, man. It comes like chomping at me.
I'd move. He's talking about you sit down and you look at
I
Mikey.
don't know what. Oh, a picture frame.
Picture frame.
Up
Yeah.
there.
Up, hold it up.
Up.
Come on. Okay.
Look at Mikey.
Oh, get your frame.
That's beautiful, maybe. It's nice. Denise, I remember my own. You want to see it? Look right behind you. Look. I'll just check it out.
What is that?
That's mine.
Oh, bingo set.
Oh, that's beautiful, Benefit.
It's a necklace.
Hold it up. Let's see it.
Come on, Mike. Come on, see this. Cute. That's how Denise to do it.
You should put them in the basket.
Yeah. That's okay, man. You have a... You help it for her, brother. For her. Come on, you can open it. Whip it. Nice, eat it. Oh, it's cute. What's Mike?
Let's see.
It's
Stamps.
Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell what?
Stamp set.
Oh.
More presents in there? Thank you, Blair, very much.
I know what it is.
No.
A journal.
I don't have none. I have none.
What, Boston?
None of Boston, none of that.
Really? What is that?
Besides, what did you get?
Yeah.
I already have a journal with these.
Really?
And it's a Hello Kitty one.
Come here. You okay? Me too.
What you need to do is give
Benedict,
some of the solo
I like
pictures.
it. It's mine.
You know?
I have
A
tons of
huge
you with
Hello
that.
Kitty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
I
what you can do
remember.
is take them over and get them blown up this size.
I don't know how
You
to
can,
open
then
it.
you can
I
hang them up.
can move here.
I can actually blow it
Sit
up
over
on
here
the
so your
printer.
brother can sit here.
Oh, see if I
What's
can
that?
move you.
Different one?
Is there
Let's
more in
see.
there?
Was there more?
Gotta come through, excuse me. Gotta check on the meat.
This is the last one.
I'm recording you.
Socks.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. They
You
don't
got
go
what?
out.
What'd you get?
Socks.
Socks. Whoa, did you need socks?
Yes, I already have socks too.
But you need some? Yeah.
You got to.
Oh,
Go ahead.
I love your
You
stocking.
like that?
Oh, that is so. Did you make it?
Yeah, I made it.
I don't
that
have
is-
any more matches.
No? Well, now
Only
you
a
do.
couple more. Only a couple more matches.
Okay, what else you got? Put the stocking back in there. And we told her he could take the stuff, but we keep the stocking.
No.
Go ahead. Look at her. Very kick to her. Come on, whip it, whip it, whip it.
Put it right.
Gotta rip it good.
I'll pick it up.
Oh my.
Put it right.
Crack that.
Oh, it's beautiful, maybe. It's beautiful.
What is it? What is it?
Let's see what it is.
Oh, that is so
Barbie
cool.
That's
I
cool.
have 3 Barbies.
Turn it
too.
around. Turn it
I
around.
have 3 Barbies too.
You have 3?
So now they have all new outfits.
Oh, wow.
That's pretty cool.
Open this one.
Mike,
What
right
is it?
here.
Good, come through.
I think it's wrong.
Barbie.
Alright, now you have how many?
4.
Right.
Alright, is it a Barbie? Rip it open, let me see, let me see. Oh, that is beautiful.
What's it say,
She
sweetie?
looks like you.
No, she's Caucasian. The Caucasian Barbie. It's a fashion
Oh, my God, right up.
fashionista.
Okay, look. What's that, Melody? What is it? Rip it
Look,
open.
Melody,
Rip
rip it.
it.
It's
Yeah, you might have to take the thing off.
Can you lift that open?
She can see it. It's for school.
I don't really bring my stuff in the classroom.
No?
No?
Well, this one you can. If they let you. I'm not sure if they let her.
Wow, I love
What is it? Oh my
Open up the
goodness.
color pencils.
Let's see what else is in there.
Renzo.
Loso, can you look at this?
Markers.
Markers.
Oh my goodness.
Look, monkey.
Please,
What
Lorenzo.
happened?
Marker.
Holy moly.
And
A roller and pencils and eraser and a pencil.
Look what I got. Brand new shoes.
And markers.
pencils. Color pencils.
Wow, see, you got it all for school,
Spell it
huh?
So what do you have, Will? Here. Come on, baby, you can do it.
How come there's 2 balls on here?
Because I wanted to
Is there 2? You probably stuck
Come on,
them,
whip
I
it.
guess.
What? What do you do?
Come on, little baby. You open.
What is it? What is it?
It's socks.
That bothered me.
More socks. Oh
Whoa.
my goodness.
More stuff.
You gotta have a lot of socks,
I
girl.
said, seriously?
Yeah, but some, one package with colored socks, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You gotta have white socks too.
Daddy, you might need to help because it's taped.
Let me see.
I'm going to need a key.
What is it? Rip it open. Let me see.
Pajamas.
Oh, those are totally crazy.
Look, Mike.
Those are so nice.
What are those little monkeys?
Yeah.
Oh,
You like your-
lovely.
And they're warm fleece. So keep you warm at night.
Can I see a key?
My key?
Use your finger.
Here, let me put my finger.
Yeah, open it, Daddy.
It doesn't matter. You can rip the box.
There. You got it open. What is it? What is it? What is it?
Mexico.
Hannah
It's okay.
Montana
No, no.
pajamas.
More PJs.
Fine.
Looking cozy. Oh, that's so
Sit
cute.
down, Mikey. Oh, you're your brother.
Oh, you got Barbie?
Yeah.
How come I didn't get Barbie? Too
Those
old
are
for Barbie.
pretty. I like those.
I still got a partial at the burning myself.
I'm jealous. I'm so jealous.
So bad.
Oh my god.
Yeah, come on.
Rip it, Mama.
Whip it. Whip it.
Get it! Come on! Yeah.
There you go.
What is it? What is it?
Oh,
What is it?
Hold on, hold on.
it's a Barbie
Oh my
PlayStation.
goodness.
That's a glam pool for the Barbie.
Oh, she gets to go swimming.
She got a hot tub?
It's a hot
I didn't get a hot tub. What's up with that?
Hot tub tan machine.
This is my
I might need to help her with that when she rinse teeth really well on the inside.
She got it. She got it.
Rip it,
Whoa!
Mama. Rip it.
Rip it.
Oh, yeah.
From the pet store.
It's a box.
I got a box cutter going.
I'm a monkey move with her.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, big old muscles.
What is it, Mama? What is it?
What'd she get? She got a. Oh, look at that sweatshirt right
That is
man.
pretty.
Hoodie.
I didn't even get a hoodie.
Shirt.
I just got a fleece.
Let me see it. Oh,
That's a
beautiful.
bad shirt right there. I like that. That's a nice shirt. Got
Oh,
some, got some
cool.
new jeans.
Oh, nice.
Two pairs of jeans.
She got 2 pairs of jeans.
Uh-huh.
Oh, those are really cool. You have side pockets, Mama. Look at the side pockets.
You don't need 2 pairs. Give me one of those.
Yeah, when you get older, you can put your cell phone in there. Her mom be brand that.
Our mound of stuff.
Oh my goodness.
Keep it in there.
Is that a hat?
No, it's her stocking that I
Is it a
made.
stocking? You made that?
I bought the stocking and just put her name on it.
My mom did
I thought
that.
we did. Look.
Yeah, my mom did that. I believe it.
Here's the
No,
red
I made the whole entire stocking. And it's got a little bell.
You made the whole entire stocking?
I did, I crocheted it.
But say, dang, that's some pretty neat crocheting there.
I don't have a snow globe.
You want to take that one with you? It's a cute one.
It's got a little bell at the end.
The cats are going nuts over the bell.
Careful.
Okay, you stop
Give me
recording.
the other one.
Barbie's.
You got Frosty over here. Frosty goes wrong.
You got what? With what? Is that what?
Frosty.
Buddy, just turn it off, buddy.
I'm trying to figure it out. I don't know what they